Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.
Good fucking morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. So I got a new, well, it's not new, another challenge account here. Don't really know if I'll be trading too much of personal accounts this week, just because I kind of want to allow the market to breathe a bit after the news that came about over the weekend, with Trump going into war with Israel towards Iran. So what I'm going to be doing this week is I might take some PA account trades. I might just be focusing more on passing some more combines. I also am really interested in starting a little personal account, maybe like a 50 to 1,000 challenge or whatever. Stupidity, then get the fuck off of the live, bro. If you think it is stupidity, then get the fuck off of the live. It's as simple as that. If you don't enjoy the live, if you don't enjoy what's being offered to here, get the fuck off instead of commenting your bullshit ass comments. Because to me, what I see is a fucking pussy behind the video screen. Anyways, so what I am really looking at here is targeting New York open into London highs. So we already had a really nice break of New York open. We had our Asia open with a huge gap. We already filled it, and now we're starting to continue back up. So we filled it here for London, grabbed liquidity from up above here, started coming back down, took out London lows, or took out its own low, the current low. Now we have a new London low. And now New York opened at 8 a.m. Here's New York open. It's London low. Yeah, get the fuck out of here, bro. Fucking loser. What a loser. We don't like losers around here. Okay. And I'll tell it to your face, dude. Like, I will not sugarcoat anything, bro. I will tell that shit to your face. Like I don't give a damn, bro. Here's our London Open. London Open and New York Open. Look at that. They're overlapping. They're overlapping. So that's really fucking nice. It's a lot of liquidity sitting there. All right. So what I am looking at for this week, especially with the news coming out the way it did, I really am expecting more bearish momentum for NQ. I want to look at gold right now. So for gold, you can obviously see we have a nice support here. Nice resistance. So we are playing, if you're trading gold, I might take a trade here actually, just to come about here. We broke this top wick here for gold on the 30. Let me look at the 1 hour for gold. But we had such a huge downtrend. I mean, push down. Oh, one thing I did not look at yet was news. So do you trade sessions only or? So to answer that question, honestly, bro, it really depends on the strategy that I'm willing to use on that day. Because I have my scalping strategies and I have my day trading strategies. If it's a day trading strategy, no, I don't really have to trade with the sessions. It's more so when it comes to my zone. So whatever time that happens. But with the scalping strategy, then yes, I am trading particularly only sessions. Only sessions. What's up, Tony? I saw you in Brinks's live. I saw you, bro. I saw you, brother. How you doing, man? Hey, Ace. What's up, my guy? I'm happy to see you in here, bro. Adrian. You think it's going to be an awesome day? What is accuracy of this NAS100? This is NQ. So I'm trading futures. This is NQ. But it's the same fucking thing. It's the same thing. It's the same fucking thing. It's just the numbers are different, but it's going to move the same pretty much. Hi, created. Hello. Yeah, so for your answer, created, any followers of this guy or whatever the hell your question was. Yeah, so here's the Discord. If you want to go ahead and join the Discord. Tony is in there. Ace is in there. Ace is a good friend of mine. Adrian. Actually haven't met him in person yet, which still we plan to do so, but he's really not that far away from me. He don't live that far. He does not live that far. I'd like to see a nice retest, guys, and then go into London highs. So what I was looking at over the weekend, so I'm not going to be taking this trade until around 9:30, and if it takes out London highs before 9:30, then I will look for a possible reversal to come down, because really I want to look for shorts more than anything today. I really want shorts. You're from India? What's up, bro? I am from the US. But yeah, so this was a really nice trade that I caught Friday, guys. Really nice trade that I caught Friday off of this rejection zone. Jesus. All right, so yeah, off of this rejection level right here. So I like to see my rejection levels as a fuck ton of wicks all in one area. Then I take my my little rectangle and I make it from the top of the wick down to the, I guess you could say, the lowest body from where the wicks are starting. And then if you look left, you can see how it tapped into here. I mean, look right, you can see how it tapped into here. And then you look left and you see all of these other wicks and these bodies, right? All of these other wicks and all of these other bodies that are consolidating. So consolidating bodies, consolidating wicks. That's what I like to see as my reversal zones. So I marked up this level. Here's another level right above it too, literally right above it. But we didn't tap into that one just yet. What's the indicator you're using for sessions? It's called Asian Session Range. I don't know why the hell it's so long like this. I don't really know why it's so long, but it's called Asian Session Range. This one right here. Join the Discord, bro. Join the Discord, and then I could definitely help you with some knowledge on that, because I've been honestly thinking about going personal with a Forex account just because it's a little bit easier to build your account with Forex from a small amount. Like if I use $500 for Forex versus $500 for futures, I could grow that Forex account with $500 way quicker and way faster than I can with futures because of the risk management. But yeah, so here is the range, or not the range, the indicator that I'm using. You have to input it correctly, input the times correctly. Because for some reason it starts like on the range or on this indicator, for some reason it starts at 2 a.m. But everybody knows for Eastern Standard Time it's actually at 3. But 2 a.m. is pre-London, so I guess that would make sense as to why it does that. But see, I put 2 a.m. on the indicator, and then it's like 3 a.m. actually here on the actual chart. So I don't really know why the hell that's like that, but yeah. So we could also see this as, since we did fill this gap, we could see us come down. Yeah, we could see us come down. I would really prefer us to come down. I would really prefer us to come down. It's free. It's free, bro. Discord is free. Discord is free. Da, da, da. Okay, let me see. Because I really want shorts more than anything, right? Literally more than anything. So if we can come up. Let's see. Yeah, just be wary of the market this week, guys, because of everything that happened over the weekend. Dumb fuck ass president. Hoping we can get good volatility with the after news effect. Do you trade US 30 as well, bro? No, but I do know a friend that does. I don't know if he still trades it, but I really need to start trading a little bit more than NQ because I've been wanting to get back on gold. But yeah, my friend trades US 30. He likes it a lot. He really likes US 30. What was I about to do? Shit, I forgot what I was about to do. I'm about to do something. What's up, Sanj? I hope you're good too, bro. Yeah, I'm doing all right. I hope you're doing okay. What the hell was I about to do? All right, so I actually want to mark this up right here just because there are a good amount of wicks right here. So if I mark this up, let me just take away this Asian session range for a second. So if I mark this up and I see that we look left, what? We have 1, 2, 3 wicks right here. So I like these wicks. I marked them up from top to the close of the candle. Look left, we see a lot of nice rejection wicks here as well. And candles, consolidation candles. So this is pretty valid level right here, price action wise. And if you want to see and look here, technically have a 1 hour FEG that London did tap into right here that we left behind after rejecting from this reversal zone. We left behind a huge supply zone, right? We left behind a huge supply zone after rejecting from this reversal zone. We had a huge push down. We left behind this supply. We have this reversal, slight reversal rejection zone right here. So if we can come in here and reject, if we want to reject again from here, that'd be great because we still have a little bit of this FVG left to fill. So if we want to come up here and fill a little bit more of the FVG, reject, if we can reject again, I will be impulsing into shorts. I will be impulsing into shorts. Where will my stops be? For now, it would be above this invalidation high. But if we have a nice rejection, I will pull my stops lower. So we'll see exactly what happens here. How'd you do in Hawaii, bro? I saw you living it up in there, bro. I was jealous, bro. I was jealous. He was over there sipping on some coconuts, looking at coconut tetas and everything. Well, see, that's another reason why I have been thinking about maybe staying away from NQ a little bit, especially with everything that's going on right now, because NQ is extremely news sensitive. And that is why you see NQ move like that. That's why you see a lot of spikes and heavy volume come in so quickly with NQ because it is extremely news sensitive. If you don't understand what the Nasdaq is, maybe that's why. You have to understand who the stockholders are of the Nasdaq. Okay, and I believe the biggest stockholder in the Nasdaq is Microsoft. I believe it's Microsoft. You have Tesla in here too. So what happened when Tesla started dumping? You know, NQ probably did. I wasn't really paying attention to it at the time, but yeah, if Tesla's dumping, NQ is probably going to dump, right? So we already had the huge sell-off for Tesla, so I don't really believe it matters too much right now. But you have to understand what companies are inside of NQ to understand the way it's moving. But yeah, I like gold a lot because gold is news sensitive as well, but not as news sensitive as NQ, because gold it's just a commodity. It's not like there's any big ass company. I mean, obviously, yeah, there are huge companies, but it's not like a stockholder. So I like gold because it is a commodity, and the way it moves is just beautiful. It's just beautiful the way it moves. So looking at taking this gold trade after this 30-minute closes. We have enough range to move up here. We have enough range. I'm gonna at least target the 50% mark of this right here. At least target the 50% mark, which is right here. And this one is already coming to it, so that'll be nice. That'll be perfect. That'll be perfect. So I'm just waiting for this 30-minute to close. Waiting for a wick to open up, make a retest of this break that we had right here, and then to continue up. Maybe we can fill the rest of this FEG here. Shit, if we can come like right fucking here with this shit right here, that would be sexy. This would be sexy. La la la. Could you please guide us on S&P 500? Yeah, so we got to look at ES too. So ES and NQ. Sorry. Sorry. All right. So ES and NQ, they pretty much move off of each other, right? They coincide together. They are besties. NQ and ES are besties. It's technically pretty much just the same thing as NQ, bro. It's pretty much the same thing. But ES is usually leading. ES is usually leading and NQ usually follows. So we have the same thing here on NQ. I mean on ES. Look at all these nice rejection wicks. Okay. I might actually take a trade on ES today versus NQ. So what I want to see here, see how we're coming up. Same thing for ES, dude. Same thing. So let me bring over NQ. Oh no. So we have these wicks here on NQ. We have the wicks here on ES. All right. So what you want to see is the same fucking thing. I want to see it come up here, maybe take out this high, rejects. We still have a little bit left of this FEG. We actually haven't even really tapped into it yet on ES, but we have on NQ. So I would like to see us come up here, break this high, and then we come in for shorts. Okay. We're coming in for shorts. I want to see us break this high, but not too strong. Not too strong. I don't want to see us I don't want to see too much of a strong bullish candle. Okay. I don't want to see it to be too strong. So I could place limits here, because what I want to see happen is we come up here, take out this high, reject, make a new high, and then that will be my new stop loss. That would be my new stop loss. The new high that's formed will be my new stop loss. But yeah, so I think I'm going to take a trade on ES today. It's looking a little bit cleaner. It's looking pretty clean on ES. Looking pretty clean. ES is actually a bit more similar to gold than NQ is. And what I mean by that is just like structure, like how it respects more support and resistance, or other things. It's not as crazy spiky as NQ is. It's a little bit smoother. It's a lot smoother. So I've been thinking about not trading so much NQ, coming over to ES and trading gold, ES and gold, because they are both a little bit better with movement and not as spiky. I'm getting a little bit tired of trading NQ right now. I'm a little bit tired of trading NQ because of just so much. I'm sure there's other people tired of trading NQ right now as well. I'm not just the only one. It's getting a little fucking annoying trading NQ. No cap. All right, I got 4 minutes until market open. You guys just give me one quick second. I got to go use the fucking bathroom. Be right back. Okay. Want to watch NQ too. It doesn't have to take out this high. It doesn't have to. It could just come back up in here in this little box here again before we reject. Oh, let me look at gold. Let me look at gold. Well, I wanted gold to come back down here, so let me just put a add alert. But we already broke this high, so bleh. I'd rather it come down first. Oh well. Oh well. I'd rather enter off of a wick entry than anything, more than anything. Let's see here. Ugh. Oh, no music. Whack. My bad. So I really want to see these shorts, baby. Another way we could get shorts is if we close past this New York Open. If we do, we're very close to this London low. But yeah, close past this New York Open. Although we are already closing past here. Let's see. Damn. Wow, my gold trade played out. I didn't get a wick entry. I wanted a wick entry. I wanted it to come back down, retest this level, and then go back up. Gold trade played out very well. Didn't want to come lower on the 5. Yeah, guys, fuck that shit. I'm over fucking NQ, dude. I'm so over NQ. It's like if I'm trading NQ from now on, I'm just gonna go light. I'm just gonna go light. I'm not trading too high anymore with NQ. All right, so let's see. Let's see. So this would be our overall target, Asia lows. Okay, Asia lows. That's our target. I'm gonna start creeping in here. I'm actually gonna start scaling in now, guys. I'm just gonna scale in here. All right, I'm adding in my full. Bet right here. Yep, that's it right here. That's my full entry. All right, so that's gonna be that. Here's my stops. Okay, let's do 6. Or let's do 6. Let's do 6. Oh. Let's add 2 more. Well, let's see. It's gonna hit me right here. It might take me out. If it does, that's okay. I'm gonna look for an entry at higher up. This could have been a crazy break and retest of the ES Open. I mean, New York Open. Good morning. Good morning, Jason. I breached 4 accounts. Can't pass challenge phase. I have no profitable strategies. If I follow daily or live, then how many days past challenge phase? I mean, bro, it really just depends on you, bro. Okay, I'm out. It took me out of this one. That's okay. I'm okay. This is just a combine, bro. Bro, it really just depends on you. Like, it just depends on you, man. Because you can literally take the same trade as me, but risk way more. And then you breach your account or you'll pass it. Like, it can be either one or the other. So it really depends on how you are risking your own account. Like, I just risked a little over 1% for me for my first trade of the day. Okay. For my first trade of the day. And it didn't play out how I wanted it to. So we had this huge push below, but it's fake out. It was a fake out. So what I'm waiting for now is to see if we're going to come up here, take out this London high, and then start pushing below. That's really what I want. Because then we would tap right into this FEG here. So what I'm going to do here is doing this. So this would be, let me just see how much. 13. Well, let's do this. Let's do 6 here. And then if it wants to come up here, do that. What's gold doing, man? Wow, look at fucking gold. Man. That was a beautiful trade. What did I say? We're going to fill all this liquidity here. If you're trading Forex, that's a lot of pips, man. That's a lot of pips for Forex, brother. Yes. Yeah, gold is a good one this week. So gold, I mean, hold on, I'm going to say oil. So oil is a good one this week. Gold is a good one for this week, literally because of the news that happened over the weekend. What is it? Iran holds. It's something with oil in Iran. Right. Right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Iran is one of the largest oil producers in the world and a key member of OPEC. So a key member of options trades. If I take 1% risk per trade, then how many days to pass challenge? How many chances and percentage if I follow like robot? I mean, like maybe 7 days. You don't have to risk 1%. You can risk like 0.07%. Yeah, I need to look at the 1 minute more. I'm gonna be loading up a fucking personal account soon, dude. And you know the sucky thing is though, if I want to trade gold, I have to trade it with futures or a broker, or with futures, a prop firm, forex prop firm, or an unregulated broker. Because I'm in the US, and unfortunately, we still cannot trade gold anymore. And that really, really hurt my trading my trading profile, to be honest. When I couldn't trade XAU USD. I remember that day. It's a terrible day. All right, so it looks like we're coming up to take out this high as I wanted it to in the first place. So this could have been a nice long into our shorts that we wanted. That's okay. But I want to watch this 1 minute because we had a lot of spikes into this area, right? And we're spiking again. So if we look closely here at the 1 minute, we came into this zone, made a high. We tried to come up here. We failed to seek the high again. We tried to seek this high, failed to seek that high. Now we're making another high and we failed to seek this high. So let's see here. If I can read this correctly, then yes. We may seek all of these highs, all of the highs, and that'll be enough liquidity for us to start dropping. So let's see if that is exactly what can happen. I would love to see that happen. If I take 1% risk per trade, oh, I already answered that question. Yeah, like 7 days. I don't know, something like that. I've passed in, the fastest I've ever passed was like a day, but that's when I was overly risking. But besides that, the fastest I've ever passed besides 1 day was about 3 days. 3 days. Yeah, bro. Hop in here if you're not already in here. It's free. Discord's free. So you can join if you want me to help you learn. I can help you. Helping you helps me, so I like that. Yeah, we got a lot of equal highs sitting right here. Let's see if we can take it out, make a new high, and then reject and go lower. That's what I want. Because the thing is, if we come up here and create an inverse FVG as well, and then we can inverse it, oh, that's going to be even more of a confirmation. Even more of a confirmation that we're going lower, baby. I want to do 4 and then keep 2 for me to add. Looks like we're coming up here pretty heavily. Pretty swiftly. Yeah, man. My friend Kaylee, she trades oil. She's been trading oil for years. Years. She trades gaps on oil, but like literal gaps in the market, not like FVGs, not FVGs. She trades literal gaps that are created in oil markets because she said they're created a lot in the markets for oil. So, but it moves so damn slow. That's what I don't like. It moves so fucking slow. But that might be better for like support and resistance. Huh. Let's look at NQ. We have to watch both of them, both ES and NQ. So it looks like ES is taking out the highs before NQ does. Yo. Okay. Let's see. Took out that high. Let's see. Took out that high. So we should take out this high. We took out both of those highs. We should take that one out. And then we could see a nice inverse of this. All right, so just got activated on one. Let's come up into this FVG a little bit more. And then here's another FVG here. Yeah. Yep. So this 1 hour is about to open in 5 minutes. We could see this next 1 hour break this high and then drop, which would be really nice actually, because as soon as we break the high, we could tap right into this 30-minute FVG, and that'll be just enough for us to start dropping. But if this closes above this reversal area, might have a problem. Did you take the gold trade? It's flying. No, bro. I didn't. Upsetting. I did not. But the analysis was, it's beautiful. It's beautiful analysis. I think I will be starting to look at gold more again, guys. That's where I found most of my success when I first started trading, was with gold. And then I decided to switch over to NQ because I switched over to futures, and I don't know why I decided to switch on to gold, just because I switched over to futures. It's not really a good enough reason, but look at that shit. Look at that shit. Especially with gold flying. Oh yeah, I'm expecting these indices to drop here. Yeah, I'm expecting a drop from these indices, man. And for gold to go long, it makes sense. Fundamentally, it makes sense. I did not take that gold trade though. Damn, that's upsetting. Well, that's okay, bro. It's gonna happen again. It's gonna happen again. It happened right here. It happened right here. This is literally how I used to fucking trade gold. We passed this resistance level. We didn't come back here to retest. Yeah, but the next candle that opened up, it broke past this level of consolidation, aiming up towards the next high, towards the next area of liquidity. I probably would have taken most of my profits right here at the high of this candle, which is where it started to have some reaction towards. And then look later, we came back to retest the same level, pretty much an order block. That's what it turned into. Okay, look at this shit. That's nice. That's nice on ES. It's a nice little rejection that I'm liking. I'm liking that shit. So yeah, I would like to see us, like I said, break this high. Maybe not liking it too much anymore. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, gold loves to play off of shit like this. Look at that. Look at this. Another level of consolidation. Tapped into it, rejected, boom, went up. It's so easy for me to just come on to gold and just mark it up versus coming on to fucking ES or NQ and seeing all this goddamn chop and all these tiny little candles. Yeah, I think gold's my baby. It's been my baby. Gold's always been my baby. Let's see here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yo, there we go. There we go. There we go. Activate it. Activate it. Activate it. Oh, damn. I'm extending this shit. Ba-ba-da-ba-bum. All right, I actually really like this closure. And then I like how we started off with the top wick and now we're coming down. We have no bottom wick at all. I really like this shit, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. But yeah, this is my last trade. And also, guys, just remember, I'm trading on my combines right now. So um, I'm not trading on my PAs this week. Like I said, I'm being cautious because the market this week, it's going to be a little crazy. It's going to be a little tricky because of the war and fucking Trump. So we'll see what happens here. There could be absolutely no rejection whatsoever and we just fucking pump. Because it could be one or two things when you see candles like this with no wick at the bottom or at the top. No wick can mean one or two things. It can mean that there is no rejection and that we're just going to keep going, or it can mean that there's no room left for us to go, so we will drop. So it's a 50-50 chance that we'll either pump or dump with no wicks. But the way it's looking, I'm expecting this to be a top wick for the 1 hour. If it takes me out again, I'm just gonna fucking get back in again because I have a fucking bias and I want to see that shit play out. Started the 4-hour candle as well. Good. I still have room left to add some because this isn't really as much as I want to. Times 8, 450. I have room left to add like 2 more. Literally looks like it's just gonna fucking take me out. Wow. What's happening? There's no wicks. I already knew this week was gonna be fucking crazy, guys. That's why I'm not fucking trading this shit. No personal counts this week, guys. If you're trading, that's just me. I'm not trading any personals this week. I'm only trading combines. That's it. Combines or demos. I'm allowing the market to do its thing because I don't know what the hell is going to go on when Iran decides to announce whatever the hell it wants to do to get back at the U.S. Who knows what the hell is going to happen, man. These are some scary times right now, honestly, for market. Pretty scary times. Wow, that's kind of crazy to look at. Wow, even gold is it's just in a range. Okay. Last fucking trade, guys, for me. Oh, wait, that was that's NQ. Oh. It's going to be an NQ trade, huh? Wait a minute. Hold on, I'm getting myself confused with these charts. All right, so this is ES, this is NQ. All right, so ES pretty much just inverse this whole fucking 1 hour FEG. NQ has not, but it's very bullish. So I think I'd rather wait for a better confirmation because there's not really any type of true confirmation that there's going to be a rejection from this. Looks like NQ will fill the FEG as well. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Just huge gaps, man. Wow, okay. All right, so this is good. I like this. Okay. me see ES. Is ES rejecting? If ES is rejecting, I may get into my shorts now. Yeah. I have a fucking bias, guys. I have a fucking bias. Wait. This looks good on ES too. Yeah. All right, so ES made the new high. Just made it a lot higher than I was expecting it to fucking make. And that's it. I hope none of you are taking these after trades, like these revenge trades right now, because I'm not really trading how I would trade on my personal account. It's just me trying to learn this market right now. This crazy market that we're about to see this week. I know this week is going to be crazy. I know a lot of people are already saying that they're not even going to trade this week. I already know a lot of people are saying we're not even going to trade this week. And if they are, they're going extremely lighter than they would normally go. Like way more lighter than they normally would. So that's how you know this week is not going to be a good week for full sizing or trading. But yeah, if it takes me out again, guys, I'm just going to be done for this fucking session. It's already looking like it didn't even want to reject. Looks like it's just going to pump. That doesn't even make sense. That doesn't even make sense. But here's gold. Gold is dropping again. So gold came up here, filled all this liquidity here in this candle, took out the high, made a new high, formed a new resistance, and now we're pushing down for gold. So some people could have taken some shorts from here after seeing that we were rejecting from closing above this high, because we didn't close above it. We closed pretty much right at it, right? So we have a nice resistance formed for us to grab shorts below for scalping. Could have grabbed I guess this would be like 100 and or this would be 38 pips, something like that. 138 pips. Damn, that's a lot. It's a lot. But yeah, all right. So just waiting here now to see what we want to do on ES and NQ. I would love to target all of these lows here. one. Let's see. I'm trying to see if I want to use this as my new stops yet. If we can break back below London lows or London high, I will use this as my new stop for NQ. For ES, I don't know yet. I really just want to use this as my stop for ES because of this. But we'll see. We'll see. This account cost me like $30, guys, so it's fine. It's fine. But yeah, I want to start literally just making a journey for a personal account from 500 to, I don't know, let's do 1,000 first, and then go from 1,000 to 2,000 and just increase it each time. But yeah, that's really what I want to start doing on here. I don't really want to trade too much more with prop firms. I kind of want to just stay personal. I'd rather just stay personal, because if you think about it, like all this time you're spending on these prop firms making all these profits and whatnot, you could be making those fucking profits on your personal account and withdrawing same day if you really wanted to. All right, so that just got stopped. So I'm still using this as my stops here. Yeah. So ES just got taken out. Yeah, we're pretty bullish. Probably not gonna be dropping until after London truly closes, and London closes truly at 11:30 a.m. EST. So I don't think this fucking thing is done. Like, this doesn't even make sense, bro. Like, this market structure just makes absolutely no fucking sense, bro. Like, goddamn. Ever since Trump has come into the market, NQ opens up with so many gaps so often, and it's so annoying. It's like, just take me back to 2024, 2023, 2022. BBB, guys. Bring Biden back. That's what one of those traders, I forgot what his name, but that's what one of the traders said on one of these videos that I was watching on TikTok. He was like, BBB, guys, bring Biden back. Biden knew his place in the market. He didn't just tweet and then things would go crazy. Bro lost millions in crypto and on futures and on Forex. And it's because of the fucking market, man. It's fucking a lot of traders up, man. It's just fucking up a lot of traders. But we have to adapt to these markets, and adapting to these markets means, I guess, risking way less. That's what that means. Still going with your plan, but risking less. Fuck. I was doing so well, and then I was doing so bad. But I know a lot of us are going through it right now. A lot of traders are going through this shit right now. BBB, guys. Bring Biden back. Oh, that guy is funny. God, I wish I knew what his name was. He's a pretty famous trader. But this makes sense, you know, closing above here. So for me to take these shorts right here was a little dumb. This was a little dumb. We were very bullish. So we closed above. I could have got into longs right here. and then looking to continue this whole move up, right? That would have been the ideal scenario. But now we're reaching a level of resistance right here on the 1 hour. This huge support that we created, or not support, supply that we created after rejecting from here. This is actually the trade I took on Friday from this supply zone, from this reversal zone that created this supply zone. See if this supply zone is going to be my bestie. If this supply zone is going to be bestie. Mm-mm-mm. I want to look at gold, man. Very nice. Let me see something. I would have taken this fucking trade right here. Into these stops here. That would have been a nice trade. Yeah, I want to go back to gold, man. Or go back to this trade. What it is. Let's see. Right. I think. Oops, hold on. Wait a minute. right. Are we going? Are we going? What time is it? Okay. Off this supply zone right here. Nice. All right, I need some water. I'll be right back. Oh, patience is always mandatory. Yes, it is, Tony. Tony, who are you, bro? Who is this Tony? This is a brand new Tony. Patience is always mandatory. Indeed it is, brother. Indeed it is. And that's actually where I have found most of my success in trades, is when I take trades that actually do require a lot of patience. But those trades are usually based off of invalidation stop losses. So those usually have wider stops, which I particularly like a lot, because it allows me enough breathing room to be like, okay, so this level where my stops are, my trade will definitely be wrong if it invalidates this high or if it invalidates this low. And that's why lately I have been kind of steering away from scalping a lot more, and going back to just day trading and intraday trading, swing trading. Sorry. That's why I'm kind of also steering away from the prop firms, because, for example, on Top Step, I can't hold overnight. Like, you can't hold overnight on Top Step, and that really pisses me the fuck off. It really does, because a lot of my trades, I see them playing out, but it happens a lot after market reopens, right? After it reopens. So if I can hold it through market reopening, I'd be fine, instead of me having to sit here and try to catch the trade because I can't hold it on Top Step. On Apex, you can hold overnight on Apex, but the thing with Apex is there's trailing drawdown. So like, holding actually might hurt me. You know, it doesn't matter if my trade is correct or right, or if I'm going to hit TP. Trailing drawdown will hurt me. So I kind of want to just stay personal instead of having all these stupid ass rules. It's so fucking annoying not being able to trade how you actually want to trade, because there's all these stupid ass rules preventing you from trading how you want to trade. And instead, I can just solve all of those problems by just using my personal account. I'm just going to load up a personal account, maybe like 2K or something, 2 grand or something like that. I was going to load it up like 5 grand, but I think I want to scale like an account. I know, Tony. I was just joking. I was saying, whoa, Tony's talking about patience and shit. Who is this new Tony? That's the new Tony. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Like, when I was trading Forex and I was using a lot of prop firms for Forex, I did the same shit. I was using a lot of props. I got some payouts, and then I forgot what rules there were in Forex, but I would lose the account, and then I would get another account, get some payouts, and then lose it, and then get another one. And I'd be like, I need to stop doing this shit. Just use the fucking profits that I make from these payouts and get my own personal account and just do that. And then I did that, and I flipped that shit, man. I was doing great. I loved personal accounts. As soon as I started making profits instantly. I think I withdrew like $400 on my first day of starting a personal account. Like, bro, imagine that. Imagine that. Imagine making $400 on a prop firm and you can't withdraw it, but you make $400 on your personal account, but you can withdraw it same day. Shit. Yeah, bro, only 1-2 trades. I just want to get a payout and put it into my live and stretch it. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's the goal for most people, yeah. NQ don't know what the fuck it wants to do, bro. NQ has no idea what it wants to do. I was really expecting more lower. It probably is coming, just maybe later, because it looks like volume is just starting to die down a little bit. I've been taking my time with the personal and trying to get funded. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go all personal, brother. And trade. Just that. But the rest of this week, I'm not trading any personal. I'm still gonna be trading, but I'm just gonna be forward testing a lot of my strats. Because I want to be able to adapt with this fucking market. I'll grab one more thing. I'll be right back. Really want to see lower. Tony, check this shit out, bro. I don't even know if I can put that shit on here. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I shouldn't put that on here. Never mind. Don't even worry about it. Well, I can show you this at least. This is our little... You know what we keep in here, Tony. You know what we keep in here, brother. You want to see the treats? Oh, okay. All right, bet. All right. I'm putting it in the Discord, bro. All right, hold on, let me get my fucking... And then this shit, I don't know if you know what this is. The treats is crazy. I want to see the treats. Oh my God, excuse me, guys. Wow, that was terrible. I was not expecting that to come out. Hey, should I place a short now at ES? If you want to, yes, you can, and then put it right above where my stops are, because that's where a invalidation level is. It's not necessarily just a random stop; it's a level of invalidation. Because on ES, let me see for ES. Sorry, I'm on NQ. Yeah, you actually could. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Take it. Yeah, actually, good idea, bro. Thank you. I didn't even fucking notice that shit. Yeah. I like that. I like that idea a lot. I'm gonna sell 6 here too, but I'm putting my stops above here for ES. Okay. Thank you. I didn't even notice. That's what I would have done. You don't have to take it if you don't want to, but I am doing that because it's actually what I was waiting for. It's exactly what I was waiting for. Oh. Tony said, "What's that?" Or I guess you could say, yeah. Now, if you want to be even more careful, you could wait for this inverse here. Like if you want to be even more careful, you can wait for the inverse of this FVG. We have another one right below, so we could just fucking dump straight through it, to be honest, because there's like no fucking wicks. There's no wicks. So yeah. And if you want to, you could set like a sell stop here or something. But this is if you want to be really careful. This entry is more of an impulsive entry. So we have like 1 or 2 confirmations. This would be more of like a third confirmation, an even better confirmation, actually. Inversing this FVG would actually be an even better confirmation for this trade to play out. It's just the only thing is we need to have, you see how we're forming this little uptrend right here, but we're not forming any higher highs, right? It's just a little trend line. So if we can break this trend, because now we have this sitting here. So if we can break this trend, we should be good to go. But if we break above here, we might have a problem. Can I check gold again for you? Gold is forming this. Okay, so it formed a resistance. and it's looking like it's trying to go higher, right? So if it can break above, let's say maybe even this wick right here, you could see it come here and just pump straight through to come all the way up to this Asia high. So we could be coming up to this Asia high here for gold, which I would expect from gold. And for ES, since gold is going to pump, I expect ES and NQ to dump, but it doesn't have to. But I would really like for it to. Should have only entered right here at this level here. We're struggling a lot for ES and NQ though. Like we're struggling a lot for ES and NQ. Why? I don't know. But yeah, gold is looking like it's trying to pump for real, for real. It's like ES really wants to dump, but it's waiting on NQ. Like hurry, like NQ, bro. What? All right, so we might have a little problem here for NQ. Not too much for ES, but more so for NQ. When I traded like this was way better for me. Way better. Yeah, it's not looking too hot for ES right now, guys. I don't know why the fuck it's pumping so much, because fundamentally this bitch should not be pumping. Well, I guess they say that what Trump did actually helped the US or helped a lot. So maybe fundamentally it could drop because we could be fearing a recession, right? We could be fearing more war coming in. But then there's people that say, no, Trump did good. He did a good thing for us. He actually prevented it from happening, World War III from happening. But then some people are saying he actually started it happening, right? He actually started it. And, well, so we could either dump because we want to fear recession, or we could pump because we think that Trump did a really good thing for the market. Or not the market, but for the economy. But I fear more so recession, and I think most of the world fears that as well. So dumping would make more sense. And the fact that we technically grabbed all of the liquidity, or at least most of it, from the huge dump that we did have in February. Started this huge dump, and then we pretty much grabbed most of it, right? For the month of April and May and June. So we could either have enough liquidity to pump and make all-time highs, or enough liquidity to drop lower into new all-time lows, bro. If we do that, that's a little scary. I'm not even fucking lying. I wouldn't say all-time lows, but that's what it felt. That's what it felt like. That would be scary, though. No cap. That would be pretty scary. Everybody's fearing the same thing, so. Here we go. Are we going? Is this it, baby? Is this it? Are we finally taking off? The wait for this trade. Got in a little too early for NQ. Should have been more focused on this supply zone. All right, so let's see here. Let's see. I want all of it. All of it. Oh man, long day trade, guys. Long day trade. But if this stop loss can hold, this should be valid, and this should be the high of day for New York, and we shouldn't come back above here for the day. We should just drop. So if it can hold, that's what it's playing as. All right, so we're coming up to breaking this little itty bitty trend line here that I was talking about, right? We're building this little trend here, trying to push up higher, but now we're trying to break below. All right. Boom, bada boom, bada bing. More patience. Back. I'm just a little antsy, guys, so I need to like get up and stretch my legs a little bit. I've been sitting here for like 2 hours, so give me a little second. Give me a little second. I'm still here though. I just need to stretch. Just need to stretch. Ugh. All right. Oh shit. Wow. I guess that's the power of getting up and walking away for a second, huh? That is the power of getting up and walking the fuck away. All right, guys, let's see. Oh my god. So what do we have here, guys? So now we have broken this trend line completely. We're coming into this FEG here. All right. Coming into this FEG. If we can inverse this FEG, that will be enough selling pressure to bring us all the way back down to here. I'm going to have my first TP, honestly, as here. Since we already broke above New York Open and then had this little retest here. See, we had a nice break below New York Open, but then this was a false break, right? This was a false break. And then it fucking tricked us out and decided to come all the way up here to take out more liquidity to grab before we start dropping. I've been saying this the whole time. This entire live, I have been saying this the whole time. So I want to see my fucking shorts play out. And this is going to be my first level of TP. Since this is my combine, I normally close like a 1 to 5 on my personals, like an 80% personal, but it's my combine. So this is my full TP. Let's see what we can do here. Or first TP, not full TP. Let's see what we can do here. Okay. And then I'm going to have my second TP here. And then I'm going to have my third TP. Oh, well, here, I'll just do this. This is third TP. This is second TP. Okay. Stand up, the market goes mental. Yo, are you in that trade, Vishal? Did you take that entry, brother? Good job eyeing that shit, bro. I wasn't even looking at fucking ES at the time. Good job, bro. Thank you for that. I appreciate you. Yeah, stand up and the market goes fucking mental. All right, we're inversing that FEG. It's going mad, guys. There's just a lot of selling pressure. There's a lot of selling pressure, baby. Let's see if we can hit it. Let's see if we can fucking hit it. All right, so first TP for ES. I'm going to be closing 4 because I have 3 TPs right here for ES, right at this level of support that we have created. Okay. Oh, wow. ES actually has a lot of TPs. 4. Let's do 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Here's my TPs. Let's see if they can hit, guys. Let's see. Yo, yes, nice. Bada boom, bada bing, baby. Let's see. Let's see. I'm targeting lows, okay? Session lows. I'm targeting session lows because that's where liquidity resides. And then we have all of this liquidity right here down below, okay? All of this liquidity, if you look on the lower time frame. So much in all of these candles that we can just grab. We probably have a lot of buyers with their stop losses right below here, looking to go long out of this bitch. Out of this bitch. They're probably looking to take profits all the way up here or something. I don't know, something like that. But no, if you can look closely, and then we're curving as well, right? So we close below this trend line. We close below. We have a nice break of structure. We have possibly a little retest going on here before we fully inverse this FVG, because we did just tap into this FVG. So we're pumping up. We could have a nice little retest here, and then we inverse and then just drop. And then just drop. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. That's what I would like to see. That's what I would like to see. So we just tapped into this FVG here as well on the 15 for ES. Very nice closure on the 15 there. So the 15 just opened. Also the 1 hour just opened. So could see just like some little tiny pullbacks, retests, extra entry levels or extra entries for people that didn't get in the first time, right? Now at this time, I'm going to be moving my stops lower. For both NQ. ES is still good for the stops, but NQ, I move my stops lower. So where even is my 1 to 5? My 1 to 5 would be right here. Maybe I should get up and walk away again. Or stretch my limbs again. Oh shit. So this was a little skeptical because we did have a nice bounce from this 15-minute FEG and this London high that we did close past. But we'll see. Hopefully you took some nice trims off of that, Vishal. That was pretty nice. I don't know where your entry was, but if it was where mine was, that was like a nice 8 points. Very nice. I'm still expecting lower though. But I could be wrong. I could be completely wrong, bro. Because who knows what the fuck is going on in these markets right now. Now, I don't really like the fact that we closed like this, because if you look here, we close the same way here. If we close the same way here, we could get a nice little pump. But if we can break this little support that we just formed on the 5, we should see a nice drop. So still valid for now until I guess my invalidation stops get hit. These stops are stops of invalidation, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, guys. But can't because of this retesting. I'm trading from Australia and I want to sleep on this. Yeah, bro. Like I said earlier, man, remember, I'm trading on my combines because the markets this week are going to be a little edgy. Yeah, so anything could really happen. I mean, anything can happen all the time, but especially this week. Like we could have some random news announced in the next couple minutes that Iran attacked Israel or something like that, you know, or Iran attacked the US. Let me not say shit like that because I live here, but anything could fucking happen, dude. Like, I don't think right now is a time to sleep on trades. I think right now is a time for being able to manage, right? Being able to manage your risk and just kind of going with price action. But right now, I'm not really liking this trade too much because of this closure. But if we can come back up here and reject going higher and then come back lower, then okay, I'll like it. But it's just a little skeptical. But yeah, you opened around 5998. 5998. Wait a minute. What contract are you on? I'm in the 6,000s, bro. I don't know what contract that is. $5,998. Oh, are you trading like? Wait, what are you trading? I don't understand. Are you trading on MESU or like? Oh. Oh. Um. That's why. Let's do this. That's why you're trading Forex. I'm not trading. I'm trading futures. 5988. 5998. Oh damn, bro! I thought you got in like way up here, dude. That's when you told me. That's when you were like, "Yo, should I get in?" Yo, bro, you got in so late. I thought you got in all the way up here, dude. That's when I got in. I guess we got in around the same time. 5998. Well, no, I thought you got in like earlier than me, to be honest. I thought you got in. I thought you got a way better entry than I did. I thought you got in all the way up here, dude. Oh my god, look at this shit. There's a lot of gaps. A lot of gaps, bro. There's a lot of gaps on Forex. That's crazy. For like I don't think this is a good market to trade, to be honest. Not right now. I think that's what what's his name was saying too. What's his name? Brinks. Another streamer on Trading Nuts thing. Brinks. I think that's what he was saying too. Like there's a lot of gaps in the market right now. It's not really a good time to be trading. He's right, bro. That's why I'm not trading on my I told you guys I'm not trading on my personal accounts for a reason. And I have stress. I've been stressing this. So if you're taking this shit on funded accounts or personal accounts, don't get mad at me because I told you what I'm doing. These are my I don't care accounts. Yeah, I should be getting off though. Like I'm usually off at 11. I've just been stuck in this fucking consolidation. Like damn. Coach Brinks. Yeah, Brinks. He seems like a cool dude. He seems like a cool dude. Oops. Hold on a minute. Share my other screen. Yeah, man, that was my first time on his live stream that day. He seems very knowledgeable. I need to go back and look at his other streams. Is that your first time, or not your first time? Did you know about him before you knew about me, Tony? Because he said that you were one of his students. Yeah, it's looking like I might get stopped here. Oh, I really want to get off. Might just get off, guys. You guys already know what the deal is. And these are just combines. So I said it and I expressed it enough. These are just fucking combines, okay? Oh, okay, that's what's up. Yeah, I need to get in touch with him more. How long have you been his student? February? That's what's up. Oh, God, I want to get off. I'm tired of sitting here. I'm just going to let these trades run, do its thing. Chicken wing. Let's see. Excuse me. Let me see something. Okay. All right, so I am just going to be getting off here because I'm tired of sitting here. So I'm just gonna play my little game. I'm tired of sitting here, guys. I'm supposed to be getting off at 11. All right. Play my little game. Damn. All right, so it's only O and a D. Let's see. Is that even on? I don't know. Model. There's no E, but we'll see. Okay, well, there's a D in the right spot. All right. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. So the O is still not in the right spot. But the OL. OLD. Molded. No, there's no M. So let's see what the only thing that makes sense would be. L-I. D-O. Lidl. This ain't no grocery store. Lidl. Lidl. Let's see. Let me check on it. Oh, what's it doing? What's it doing here? Okay, great. So yeah, like I said, if we can break past this structure here and have another breaker structure, we'd be good to go lower. There's no E. No, there's no E. But we can see if that's okay. So the O is in the right spot. The D is in the right spot. The L is not in the right spot. O. Nice try, but it's O is in the right spot, buddy. But London is a good guess. O F D O. O is the first letter. O is the first letter. Libido. Libdo. What is that? OYD. OGD? No, that doesn't even make sense. OID. It has to be some weird ass word. This doesn't even. OFD. No, that doesn't make sense. OGD. No, that doesn't make sense. OPD. OID. OID. Oido. Oiden. What the fuck? Let's see. Let's check on it again. It's playing with our emotions. Order? No. Good try, but there's no E or R. Oddly? Oh, wow. Good job, buddy. Good job, Sanj. Yo, I think damn, you're good, bro. Good job. You know what? Sanj, you got Cash App, Sanj? Surprise. Surprise. Do you have Cash App, Sanj? Do you have Cash App? Because I will give you a 25K, no 50K today. Because I believe the 80% off is still going on. Yes, it is. You do have Cash App, Sanj? Do you have Cash App, my guy? I will give you a free 25K account right now. Not 50K today. I might save it for one more 25K for the week. So basically 50K in total. But I will give you a free 25K account right now, bro. Right now, if you have Cash App. And I think you're in the Discord. Yeah, you should be in the Discord. No? Okay. Well, then I'll save it for the next person. What a good man. What a good man. The education is enough. I love it. All right, so it looks like we're trying to come down here, guys. Looks like we're trying to come down here. All right, I'll pay it forward to the next person. I'll double that to the next person, okay? Let's see. Yeah, man, if we can break this low, we should be good to come all the fucking way down here. I swear. I swear it. I've been holding this for so long. Ugh, okay, I guess I'll just fucking hold it. Or I guess I'll just stay on. I meant to say, not hold it, because I'm holding it. I'll just let it run. I'm gonna let it do its thing, and then I'm gonna go do my own thing. I just want to see it break, bro. I just want to see this fucking break. If we can break this low, oh my god, that's money, baby. It's money. It's money. It's free money. All right. Let's see it. Another Wordle? I don't know if they have more. I think it's like the Wordle of the day. So they don't have more. It's more so just one a day, Tony. I wish there was more. We'll get it again tomorrow. Yes, on the way. Yes, Tony is right. Yeah, it's all about patience for a lot of things, because if your stops are valid, if you have very valid stops, you could literally just walk away. You got valid stops, walk away. You know where the market's going? Walk away. It's just, I'm a little skeptical just because of everything that's going on. So I'd rather sit here a little bit and make sure I was doing what the fuck I wanted to do. Yeah, man. Waiting is what really helps. That's why a lot of times when you guys see scalpers out here that are in and out of their trades and like that, it really fucks your mindset up, your own psychology up, because that's how you think we should be trading, right? And that what works for one person might not work for another person. Oh, there we go. We're breaking. We got 4 seconds to close, so we should have a really nice closure below this. Nice, baby. Nice. It's fucking sexy. Nice. They both closed below. So yeah, we should see it a lot lower. Let's see it. Let's see it, baby. Finally. All this waiting, bro. Oh, let's not get too hyped up too quickly. It could humble us real quick. Humble us real quick. Stupid ass NQ. But yeah, we're getting everything that we want, or that I wanted to see. So we inverse this, we should be good to go. Yeah. Okay, even this 15 closed past this little resistance here. Or this little support, I meant to say. Yeah, with futures, it's so annoying, to be honest. Like, I am not the type of person to want to sit here and just watch the markets, bro. Like, I don't want to do that, dude. And I didn't do that when I traded Forex. I could literally just be all comfortable, just walking away from that shit, looking at it in like an hour, and then seeing, oh, well, we're right next to my TP, or we haven't really done anything yet, but stops are still valid. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer to see if we need to build up some more liquidity, more volume before we take off. Like with futures, bro, like, ugh, it's so annoying. That's why I really want to go back to Forex. The thing is, if I transfer back to Forex, I can't trade gold. I can't trade NQ. I have to trade literally just currency pairs. And while that's okay and everything, I'd have to go back to the markets of studying those markets first before even actually taking a trade, which is fine. Because I don't think I've ever actually traded currencies. I've traded just gold and indices, man. But I've been getting interested in trading some UJ and some Euro USD. I said UJ, I meant GJ. So if I do go back to Forex, that's what I would have to trade. And that's why I went to futures, because we can't trade gold or NQ anymore on Forex unless we have an unregulated broker. Yeah, it's just the market, man. It's just the market. It's gonna play out. It's just the market doing its fucking stupid ass thing. That's why it's better to have your stops at a level of invalidation. I feel like during times like these where markets are doing just all these stupid spiking and just random retests or pullbacks, bigger pullbacks than usual, or shit like that, just wait a little bit. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Because we're struggling to push up, right? It's really struggling to push up. So which way do we have left to go? Down. There's only one way left to go, is down. How the hell do you trade XAU, Tony? Oh, you must use a prop firm. I don't want to use a prop firm, bro. I don't want to use a prop firm to trade Forex. For one thing, it's more expensive buying accounts with Forex. I might as well just load up $300 on a Forex account, Forex personal account, and scale that shit up versus buying a fucking $150K, $300 Forex account, you know? No, Forex is way easier to scale up your account though, Tony. Trust me, bro. Trust. Because you can use micro lots. You can literally use 10 cents versus $1 or $2 or $5. You can use 10 cents to sample size, to micro size. And if it's going in your direction, boom, add your entire lot size that you want. You can't do that shit in futures, bro. I don't like this. One, two, three. Oh, this is great. This is great. This is a new rejection area for me, guys. This is a new rejection area for me that just formed. So this is very valid stops for me. Very fucking valid stops. So I'm not taking this out. I'm not taking this out. I'm not taking that out. No, no, no. So we formed very nicely. Let's extend to the left. Okay. If we extend to the left, what do we see? What do we see? Let me close this out. So we have 1, 2, 3 wicks, right? Rejection wicks from this level that we created a supply zone from after we rejected from this rejection level, this reversal level here. And now we're rejecting from this supply zone. So this should be pretty valid. Tony, what broker are you using? You must be using an unregulated broker. You must be using like Henko Trades or something like that. Or what are you using? I'm just nervous to use unregulated brokers right now, man, especially with everything that's going on. I'm adjusting my TPs, okay? If you're still in this shit with me. Yeah, what broker are you using, Tony? I need to know this because I know you're in the US. I used to use Henko Trades. What was the other one? Oh, Hero FX. I got some nice payouts with them. I'm not gonna lie. Wait, oh, futures? Wait, how do you trade? No. You trade gold futures, not XAU. That's different, bro. That's different. XAU is Forex. GC is futures. Yeah, I was thinking about doing Tradovate, like just inputting like a couple grand into Tradovate or Tradovate, whatever. for futures, but bro, I want to go back to Forex. I want Forex. I like Forex. Futures it's I don't think it's for me. CoinX. CoinX is crypto. I don't understand. Nah, it's coming down. All right, I need to go stretch my legs again, man. I'll keep this going until we hit like first TP or just maybe all tell. I just need to go stretch my legs, bro. I can't keep sitting here. I cannot do it. I'm just gonna. All right, I'm gonna fucking be right back. I'm gonna fucking be right back, guys. Fuck. How the hell, Tony? Okay, I'm gonna message you. Yeah, I'm gonna DM you, Tony, because yeah, I need to talk to you, Tony. We need to talk, bro. We need to talk. All right, let me just close this shit out real quick. Oh, I'm actually gonna bring it right here. Yeah, you could put money into Tradeovate. I want at the top of this this right here. Yeah, that looks better for a first TP. There it is. Yep, there it is, Sanj. See, I told you, just wait, bro. Just wait a little bit. Just wait a little bit. If you want to go ahead and start trimming, bro, definitely start doing that. Definitely start trimming. Yeah, that's what I want, man. That's why I said I want to go. I think I'm just gonna go back to futures. I mean, not futures, Forex, and just have to start practicing my strategy on GJ and Euro USD, because that's where I'm telling you, I found most of my fucking success within Forex. A lot of traders, when they transfer over from Forex to futures, they have a lot of issues because of like the risk management is just so much more different, bro. You can't hold. I used to hold, on Forex on Wednesdays, they would pay you like, well, not every broker, but they would pay you, some of them would pay you 2x or so or more just for holding, bro. They would pay you for holding. Like, why would they pay you for holding? It doesn't even make sense, but it's free money. God, it's so slow. Okay, BRB. I gotta be right back. Let me stretch again. Oh, I think I'm gonna go break even. Also. You know what? Let's just go ahead and close some since the market's being fucking weird. Let's just go ahead and close some since the market's being weird. It's being all fucking weird and shit. And let's go break even. Let's do one here. And then I'll just have... let's just go there with it. Close some profits, go break even. Have one here. And have one there. All right. Yes, sir. Fire fucking trade, bro. Fire ass trade. Like, if this shit can all hit, we should be up in profits for the day. But might as well just go ahead and secure. Thanks, Sanj. Glad you caught something with us today, bro. You have your rest of your night. I know it's nighttime over there, so we'll see you tomorrow, bro. All right, I'm gonna leave this shit up. I'll be right back. I'm at break even. There's nothing to worry about. I'll be back. I'll be back. Let's move it up a little bit more. Let's move it up just a little bit more, right above this order block instead. And then just to be cautious. And then, yeah. Okay. Nice, bro. Yeah, Tony, we're going to talk, brother. We're going to talk some more. I'm going to DM you, and we're going to talk. Me, you, and what's his name? Brinks. We're going to link, bro. We're going to link. We're all in the U.S., so we just have to. We just have to. I'm turning 30 next month. All right. I'll be back. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Still looking pretty good here. Nice. Let's look at ES here. Are you going to hit it? I'm actually going to just close 2 here and see what the runner can do. There we go. Well, for real? For real? Wow. No way. All right. Let's just close 2, and then now I'm just going to let the runner run. Let's bring this runner back up to this. So went from 5 cons to now just 1. It's just moving so slow, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. But yeah, we should, hopefully, if we see a break of this low, should see lower. into here. Maybe into here. Good Lord. What a long trade. All right, I'm probably going to get the fuck off, guys. I'm done. I'm done. You guys see the trade. You guys see where the TP is. You see where my stop is. If you're in the trade, just manage it. Or just close out because I'm about to get off. I got other shit to do. All right, guys. I got other shit to do. All right, guys. If you guys want to join up the Discord, it's free. Okay, just join the Discord. You can. It's completely free. We can all connect in there, vibe. Oh, I'm turning 50 in October, and I'm going somewhere to celebrate. Hell yeah, we're going to Tennessee for mine. We're going to Dolly World. We're gonna go to Dolly World. I'm gonna go hit up Dolly World. I've never been to Dolly World, and I love water parks, bro. Like that shit will always be in me. Kid forever, bro. Kid forever. So we're gonna go to Dolly World, and then we're gonna go hiking, and enjoy a little bit of ganja. Maybe take a little bit of other things. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be on here. I'll probably be on here at 9 a.m. I'm not doing 8 a.m. anymore because I just get on and then I just get off. And then I come back at 9. So there's no point in me getting on it that early if I'm just going to come back at 9 anyway. So I'll be back tomorrow at 9 a.m. EST. There is the Discord link. If you guys want to join, it is free. Again, it is in the bio. Or it's in the links right here down below. Oh, you see this little screen over here? Or this little comment box over here on the side? You can actually highlight in the box the link. And then you can use that to wish I knew how to do it. Maybe I can do this. Hold on. Maybe I can do this. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Oh. Just trying to see if I can make like a little hyperlink. Guess not. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. EST. Looks like we're trying to come down and hit TP here. It's just taking fucking forever today. God damn. Like the volume just left. It'll probably pick up here soon after lunch. Lunch is about to end, so we should see some volume starting to come in here. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? I said it like 5 times now. Okay, bye. Bye.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.